What is an alien word and why does my child have to learn them? Hi everyone, my name is Jo and in this video I'm going to share with you what an alien word is and why we want children to learn them. So when children have been learning short words, say for example cat, they know the sounds k, a, t and say cat. And also maybe they'll say yes. And you say, what's the sounds in yes? Y-S, yes. And when we then try and trick them, we want them to be able to apply that knowledge of sounding out to unfamiliar words and therefore alien words. So if we show them this word, they may look and think, z, a, t, zat. And that shows us that they can sound out the word. And we say zat. That's a silly word. Look at the alien. And we say hi to the alien. And you can talk about it and make it fun. Now that's okay. But then when we get to learn more tricky sounds, like digraphs and trigraphs, we still want them to be able to recognise these sounds in words, unfamiliar words. So this skill helps them to do it. So say for example, we have this alien friend, our little green alien friend, and you say, what's his name? And they may say Z, A, Y, Zaya. And you say, but can you spot our A sound? And they say, So then we can underline the digraph, which is two letters that make one sound, A. A. And now his name is Z, A, Zay. So you say, oh, hi Zay. And then you would know that they didn't quite recognise the A sound in that word, did they? But if they say Z-A, Zay, you can give them any word. Then also maybe we will have this word and this little blue alien friend. And you say, what's his name? And if they didn't recognise a digraph, they may say S-H-E-B. Saheb. And you say, can you see a digraph? The sh digraph. And they say, yes, here. So it doesn't say sah, it says shh. And now you can say sh-eb, sheb. But if they did say saheb, you would know that they didn't recognise the digraph sh in the word. So when they come to unfamiliar words, they would always say sah, which then helps you because it's a fun activity and they can say hi Sheb and it's more fun for them and they can make their own alien words as well, which is really fun. So if you want my alien words, I've got lots of them. You can join my free community on the link in my bio and there's lots more activities and tips and tricks there as well. So everyone, I hope you enjoyed that and I'll see you again soon for more tips and tricks.